Hi there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a really easy way of how to get gum out of your clothes. I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol for this demonstration, and I'm not 100% that it's not going to damage the clothes. I don't believe that it is. Never had a problem with it doing anything to the clothes. All you'll be needing to do this is you'll need some rubbing alcohol, you'll need a Q-tip or a cotton ball, and you're just going to need some duct tape. Okay, so this is my daughter's sweatshirt. It looks like she's got a big piece here where it looks like she's tried to take it off. A piece here, a little piece here, and a big piece here. I am not going to worry whatsoever about the fibers because it's just an old sweatshirt anyway. And like I said, I've never had a problem with anything being damaged from doing this. But I can't make any promises. I'm only showing you how to get the gum out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol here. I'm going to use a cotton swab, and I'm just going to dab this on all around where these areas are. I'm going to do the same everywhere that I see gum. I'm going to just go ahead, I'm going to dab over all of this gum that's stuck on here. I'm just going to dab this on. Okay, I'm going to let this set after I'm done here for like 30 seconds. And then I'm going to take and get my duct tape ready. I'm just going to take a piece of duct tape. I'm going to lay this right on top. And I'm going to push it right into the fabric. And because it was such a big area, I'm going to take two pieces. Just pushing that down really good. Then I'm just going to pull that off. I can see I got most all of that off. I'm going to do it again right there. You can't see it on here because remember this piece was, this was just like a sticky residue really. I'm going to take and I'm just going to work this to make it a little bit secure down there. Just having a hard time to stick to the fabric because of the wetness and the glue is not sticking well. But that's okay. This will pull it right up. Pull that up. I can see all that sticky is gone there. If you see a little area that might have a little bit, just reapply your tape and just something that you can push on top of your tape and it will catch your tape to stick to your fabric. There, that stickiness is all gone. Now I'm going to just move over to the next areas. Just rub that in. I'm just rubbing it in a little bit hard. This really only just takes a minute. And when I pull that up, you can see I got that right there. But I can see another little piece here, so I want to get that. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get this wet again. There, just by doing that, took that little bit of sticky off. I can see that's all gone. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a wet cotton ball with alcohol on it and I am just getting the rest of that sticky off. Look at that, it's all gone. And this one, just rub that a little bit more, gone. I'm going to come back to this one. I already got it wet once and I could pick it off if I wanted to. But I don't really want to, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it wet. Just get it wet when you're ready to work it, that's all. Don't try doing it like I did. I got it wet before. Do it as you get to it. Okay, let that sit for 30 seconds. See, that's all kind of coming right off on its own. But I'm going to put the duct tape down. And now I'm just going to keep doing this for a minute. And then I'm going to pull this up. And there's the gum. Now, you can see I still have a couple little bits and pieces here. Just take your little wet cotton ball and then you can either take another piece of tape or just take them off. Oh, see, just using the tape, it just sticks right to it. There. Gone. And then when you're done, just rinse off your fabric and then throw it in the laundry and it'll be just like new. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.